going for the another risk attitude, okay, and the decision making criteria. Now class, just listen. First of all, I will talk about risk attitudes. People generally have three attitudes towards the risk. That can be risk seekers, risk averse, and risk neutral. Now just listen carefully class, what is this attitude? Seekers means who are always ready to take the risk no matter what the return is. In their life they are always ready to take the risk and they are not concerned with whatever the return they are getting. That is called as a seeker. Okay. Risk averse means that person who is not ready to take the risk at all. That person is always not ready to take the risk at all. Okay, so that person is basically happy with the minimum return that person is getting because that person is not ready to take the risk. So whatever the minimum return the person is getting, he is happy with that. Neutral. Neutral people are those people class who are ready to take the risk provided they get the return. So for example, someone says you कि okay, just invest your money there, you will get this. तो आप बोलोगे can you give me the guarantee that I am definitely going to get the return? So neutral people are those who are ready to take the risk provided the return is there. Okay, so sometimes in the examination, the examiner will not say you ki calculate maximax, calculate maximin, calculate expected value. He will not say you that at all. He will just give you the attitude of the person and you have to check that if this is the attitude, so what we have to calculate. Like risk seekers believe in maxi max. Okay, what is maxi max? It means maximum का maximum. It means उल्टा देखेंगे maximum का maximum. They are not satisfied with whatever the minimum return they are getting. They want to maximize their return no matter what the risk is. Okay, those people who are risk averse, for them either it is minimax or it is maximin. Okay, so basically what is the decision class they use? They either use minimum ka, maximum, okay, and minimax. I will tell you class these in the detail what is this. Okay, and those who are risk neutral, they are interested in expected values. So you have to remember that if the risk attitude is risk seeker, then you will calculate maximax. If the attitude is risk averse, you will calculate minimax and the maximin. If the attitude is risk neutral, you will calculate expected values. Is it clear class up till here? Should I proceed further? Okay, now just listen class. First of all, I am starting with Maximax. Maximax people are basically very optimistic people. Okay, these are the optimistic people who are always ready to take the risk, who want best in their life, who are not satisfied with the minimum return they are getting and they want the maximum one. That is called as class Maximax. Okay, so I just show you how to calculate the Maximax. Now class, come to this question. Do you people remember this class ki we have done the payoff table yesterday class? Remember or not? Remember or not? We have done the payoff table. Okay. So class, yes. Now, up class, whenever in the examination, the examiner asks you to calculate the maximax, first of all, what you have to do is class, you have to first of all make the payoff table. अब पे ऑफ टेबल तो क्लास हमने कल बना लिया था, देयर इज नो इश्यू एट ऑल. तो अब मैं आपको मैक्सी मैक्स सिखा रही हूं. Okay, now just listen class. Yes. तो व्हाट इज बेसिकली मैक्सिमैक्स? आई टोल्ड यू उल्टा देखना है, दैट इज मैक्सिमम का मैक्सिमम। तो क्लास मेरे पास यहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शंस थी। ईदर आई विल सप्लाई 40 सैलेड्स, 50 सैलेड्स, 60, 70। एंड क्लास कितना कितना था यहाँ पर? 40, 50, 60 and 70. Pay off table was 80, 80, 80 and 80. उसके बाद 0, 100, 100 and 100. जो क्लास पे ऑफ टेबल बनाया था, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दैट, आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा। 160 loss and 60 loss. Now just listen class. How I will calculate maximum ka maximum. First of all, choose the maximum value in this one. What is the maximum value? 80. What is the maximum value? 100. What is the maximum value? 120. What is the maximum value? 140. Now my objective is maximum ka maximum. If these are the maximum values, what is the maximum, the most maximum value class? 140. तो इसका मतलब I want to come here. I want to achieve this because this is maximum ka maximum. Okay class. So इसका मतलब how much salads I will supply? Just look here. इसका मतलब my answer is 70. Like this you calculate. Is it clear class? So first of all you have to make the payoff table. From each column you will calculate the maximum value. Okay. From the maximum value, okay, you will take the most highest value. Whatever the value is there, uske corresponding what is the decision? So what will be your decision? What is asking? How many salads will he decide to supply? So what is your answer? How many salads will he supply class? Yes, he will supply 70 salads. Okay, so this is your answer. Is it clear class? Or there is any student who is having any issue in the maximax rule? It's very simple. You have to make the payoff table and then you have to calculate. Okay. Now class, we are now on maximin. What is maximin? Maximin class means where my option is to have minimum ka maximum. I am having a pessimistic approach in the maximin. I am satisfied with whatever the minimum return I am getting, but I want to maximize that. So that is why उल्टा देखेंगे minimum का maximum. It means if again this payoff table is this. So first of all tell me class, what is the minimum value? In the first case, what is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? 0. What is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? Minus 160. अब I want to maximize it. How I will maximize it class? What is the maximum value? 80. So इसका मतलब what will be my answer? What will be my answer class? Supply dash salads at a time. How many salads?